Hi guys, today I make a video about the 10th anniversary of Windows 8. It was released to manufacturing on August 1st, 2012. It was subsequently made available for download via MSDN and TechNet on August 15th, 2012 and um, generally available on October 2012. Today I have a virtual machine in not in English but in Italian because I do not have the English version of Windows 8. By the way, Windows 8 was a failure, a flop, whatever you call because the start button was not available in the text bar. It was not designed for the normal PCs without touchscreen, but with it was designed for tablets and notebook for tablets. So for click the start button, there is no start button on the text bar, but you need to press the start button on the keyboard of your computer, or go here and click start. Was there is no also in the start menu, there is no button to go for all the apps. How to go on all the apps? Right click on every application, right click, for example desktop, whatever you want, and click all apps, and here you find all the apps. Yes, Windows 8.1 have the button for all the apps. Windows 8 does not have the button to go for all the apps on the start menu. So Windows 8.1 was a version that was made also for the start menu that is not present on the taskbar. Windows 8.1 have the start button here. So the support is ended on 2016, 12 January 2016. And how is Windows 8 after 10 years? Well, Chrome, for example, is updating, is supported on Windows 8, requires Windows 7 at the time of recording this video. So Chrome is supported on Windows 8, is still supported, as you can see, at the year 2022, of course. Yes, it's updated and I don't know if really after the date that wasn't supported anymore was receiving updates. I don't know. Windows 8.1 is end by but Windows 8.1 is ending support mm, on the next year on January 10th, if I remember. Anyway, on January 2023, Windows 8.1 will ends the support after 9 years. So less than 10 years, Windows 8.1 will end the support. And yeah, here is Windows 8. Let's check. Let's see. For example, I don't know what version of Internet Explorer here. Yes, MSN. I don't know Internet Explorer. What this version is this? 10. So I do not update Internet Explorer on this operating system, on this virtual machine. And MSN.com doesn't load, doesn't view, doesn't works on this web browser. Let's go to google.com. Yes, of course, it works, but with a pretty old or old interface of Google. So yes, here I don't know. Let's check Windows Update. I'm curious. Yes, I will have update because I do not install the updates remaining updates on this virtual machine. So let's go on Windows Update. Where is Windows Update here? Yes, also forgot to the settings. Here on the start menu, if I'm not wrong, there is no settings. You can't find settings on the start menu on Windows 8, at least at this version that I have. I don't know here, but here you can't find it. So you go to the settings. Yeah, this is weird, but you need to go here and change email, profile picture, or whatever it is. And there is the settings. Yeah, this is my new profile picture of my channel. Yeah, here we go, Windows Update. It's not configured to receive updates, so I never installed updates on this virtual machine. Oh yeah, there is a problem. So okay. Yeah, speaking about a little bit about this operating system. Windows 8 introduced major changes to the operating system's platform and user interface intended to improve its user experience on tablets, where Windows was now competing with mobile operating systems, including Android and iOS. Windows 8 was released to a mixed critical reception, a true reaction towards its performance improvements, security and enhancements, and improved support for touchscreen device was positive. The new user interface of the operating system was widely criticized for being potentially confusing and difficult to learn, especially when used with a keyboard and mouse instead of a touchscreen. Microsoft released Windows 8.1 in October 2013, addressing some aspects of Windows 8 that were criticized by reviewers and early adopters, and incorporated additional improvements to various aspects of the operating system. Windows 8 was ultimately succeeded by Windows 10 in July 2015. The server counterpart, Windows Server 2012, currently receives security updates until October 2023, and unofficial methods have been made to apply these patches to the original Windows 8. Okay, let's check Windows Defender on this OS. I'm pretty curious. I'm a little bit curious. Yes, here it is. Yes, the definition of the virus spyware is not updated, but don't I don't not update the definitions because it will take a very long time, for sure. About this is the 2012 version, so I think the first version for this operating system, I think. Yes, this was Windows Defender, very similar to Microsoft Security Essentials. And yeah, so let's go to open messages for example. Yeah, the resolution is too low for open applications. Yeah, I'm recording in 1280 by 720. Windows 8 requires minimum 768 1024 by 768 resolution. So yeah, let's change anyway. How many resolution have this virtual machine? Wow. Apply. Keep changes. Okay, let's open an application. Alright. I don't want to add a Microsoft account. And you can, from here, sorry, open the app that you opened from the start menu. Also on the desktop you can also, if I'm not sure, also if you open Chrome, I think. Yes, you can or not. I don't know. Yes, you can. Yes, of course. Mm, yes, and this is Windows 8 after 10 years. This is a pretty short video, I think. It's not very long, but I I can't I can't make a very long video about I can't make this video long because I don't have time, unfortunately. But it's better than this video is better than nothing. Yeah, you can yes, personalize or okay, activate or disable icons of the system from here. Let's check the control panel here. Let's check the control panel. This is also on Windows 10. On Windows 10, I have Windows 10. I don't have. I'm using the laptop, not the desktop PC. That have Windows 11. These have Windows 10. I I don't have Windows 11 on this laptop because it's not supported. But Windows 10 also, I think on Windows 11, yes, it's not changed. It's still available. If I if I don't I don't if I speak if I'm right, yes, still available on Windows 11. So is it's not changed from Windows 10 and 11. Only changed the icons, of course, because this is the icons of Windows 8 or also 7 if yes, others of Windows 7, others of Windows 8. So yeah, personalization. Yes, how, yes, this is how you can personalize Windows 8, but on these settings, I don't know if you can personalize more. I don't know but I think it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same of how it works. And let me check it out. And sorry guys, but well, I don't know, but oh yeah, here we go. You can personalize the start menu from here. with different backgrounds, wallpapers. This is the not the default, but I think this is default. Yes, is this is the default wallpaper. Don't know if you can on Windows 8.1 add an image from the start menu. Windows 8, I think you can't. I don't remember. I don't know. I don't remember. You can, but yet you can change the colors from here. Yes. Obviously, you can also the you can also do this on Windows 10 and 11, of course. Windows 8.1, and there is you can personalize the colors, but on Windows 10, for example, you can. Yes, you can. Just put the what color? This the color of my channel, orange. Oh, or this? No, this. This is better. This is better. So, lock screen. There is the default wallpapers. This is the default. I just put the default wallpaper. Yes, you can also, of course, add an image that you want, that you saved on your computer or your PC or whatever. Yes, yes. I know I'm not using the Microsoft account. I'm using the local account, the normal account, and yes, from here you can change what apps can view notifications. For example, this, if I disable, we will not view notifications on the computer. And yes, these are the settings. I think you can't search here. No, you can't, but oh, here we have all the options here. Accessibility is not very complete like on Windows 10. Not you have here a few options. If you compare to Windows 10, for example, you can here you can synchronize the settings that you on this PC. Also passwords, accessibility, browser, and etc. Yeah, Windows Update doesn't work on this virtual machine, but I don't really care. a cool wallpaper for my opinion. Also, yes, I've changed the wallpaper. This is the theme. We have three default themes of Windows of this operating system. These are the classic theme. Let's go to flowers. Okay, I just bought Windows, the default. Screensavers. We have few screensavers, but yeah, this is the I call classic screensaver for Windows. Bubbles. Yes, there are the photos that you saved. I do not have images on the desktop. I have only one image of my new profile picture of my channel that uh, I have uh, updated yesterday. Yeah, part yesterday. Sorry for my bad English, but I'm not. I'm Italian. I try my best to speak in English. Let's try this screensaver. Okay. Let's try this. And this is the black screen, so it's nothing. And text 3D, then 3D text. You can put a word. You can write whatever you want. For example, this is the default text Windows 8. You can personalize the text on this screensaver. Yes, let's write my name of my channel. That's okay, and let's try. Yeah, yeah, pretty cool. Rotation. You can change the how it how it how it moves, the movements. Let's try this. And this, the last. I personally like the first rotation. This is nothing. This is no rotation is is the text is not move not move, but only to left and right, but the text remains at the do not rotate. Again, sorry for my bad English. If I can if I'm not speaking correctly the English. Yeah, rotations. Okay, but let's go to no screensaver. So cancel, and sounds, and colors. Colors, you can change also here the colors. Let's oh, here we go. You can change the window color, intensity of the color. I set to the max. Okay, theme not saved. Save theme. Yes. And yeah, if you want to view an image, it opens the photo application of Windows 8 instead of opening Windows Images Viewer. If it was called Image Viewer, I don't remember exactly. But now you don't have the options to close, like the X to reduce or to adjust the dimensions of the window. A user that is not familiar with Windows 8 is not will say how I can close this. Well, press, I don't know, F4 in my case, yes, or let me open again the file, or go to the start menu from here, or simply press the start button on the keyboard. Okay, but if you want to close, you need to press Alt, Fn and F4. In my case, only F4 on my computer. Okay, so a user who was use PC normally, Windows 8, the user can't the user don't know how use Windows 8. Don't know how to use Windows 8, and probably when Windows 8 released, a user for the last operating system that for the latest operating system that was exist for before Windows 8 was Windows 7. So a user, if 10 years ago when Windows 8 was released, wanted a familiar user interface, we was staying on Windows 7, of course. But also Windows 8.1, also if is a better version of Windows 8 was failed also was failed also Windows 8.1 because always have the start menu that users don't like most. If I can, if I not go wrong, if I don't spell, if I if I say correctly, Windows 8.1 was that is that. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So let me close the apps that I don't closed. I don't have closed yet. Now I close it, all the apps of all the apps. Yes, yes, yeah. Um, Let me adjust the resolution for this video. Okay, where is 1080 by 720? Can't find it. I need to go here. Where is the option? Here we go. Okay, and apply. Keep changes. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. And I forget to say uh, a last thing. Windows 8 don't have a button to power off or suspend or whatever, to turn off the computer here when Windows 8.1 does have it. So how would you turn off Windows 8, turn off the computer? Or go to here to the profile, click sign out, whatever, to disconnect the account, or go and disconnect and swipe up, click here and shut down, or go to desktop and press Alt F and F4, click if it don't works, click on an empty space, on the space of the desktop, click close on the keyboard, press Alt F, FM, Alt and F4, and here you can shut down the system, suspend, disconnect, or change the user, change user, or reboot the system, and click OK, and the computer will shut down. So thank you for watching. Bye.